In this video, I'll show you how you can insert a checkbox in Microsoft Word. Now, first step, what you want to do is we want to enable the developer tab up here. And how you do that is by right-clicking on any of these. Just right-click on help. Then go to customize the ribbon. Once you're in here on the right-hand side, you will see a developer. You want to make sure that it's ticked and it's blue. From there, you're going to press OK, and the developer tab will now be open. Now, if you press on developer, there should be a little tick box right here. You want to click on it, and as you can see, there's now a tick box. Now, if I click on it, you will see it will tick itself. But if you don't want it to be an X symbol, what you can do is select it, just like that. Click on it, now it's selected, and head over to properties. Now from in here, you can see down here at the checked symbol, you can press change, and you can select a new one. You can also select an unchecked symbol, but usually it looks best just like blend. So you can just select a new one, press OK, and then it will be a new symbol. That's basically how you can do it in Microsoft Word. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.